Hi guys, welcome back into my kitchen. I'm here at the kitchen table. It's 9 p.m. and I think I'm done for today. I just wanted to very quickly show you what I've been doing. I've been working on my Lapbook cookbook, and it's going it's been a messy process. That's why I haven't shown you the whole steps, because I had to remake things many times and it's not been easy, but I've come to a point where I can say that I have a plan. I have a plan. So this is the cookbook. Of course, I will decorate the cover. This is just plain, just done. And it opens up like this. And so this is the flap. This is the cover that flaps out. I've hinged here, as you can see, and it flips out, and this is the end page. This is the other end page. And I was planning of, well, this is just a regular bag, paper bag, and I wanted to add this. This is the legenda, the meaning of the colors that we will find in the rest of the book. And this is going to be sewn, machine sewn around, and glue here as a pocket. And I was planning of creating a little booklet for this bag that is going to be glued down here, and it's going to be double. Okay. For this page, I'm not sure yet. I was thinking of adding something like maybe an envelope, or just a little pocket here. I will see. I don't have a plan for that yet, but I'm sure I will add more, like notepad to write your recipes. Then this is the main journal. It's made of 4 signatures, and they have eyelets. Can you see the eyelets? And I have 5 plain pages plus this rectangular doily here. And the plan is that, wait a second. The plan is that I have a signature for every every course. So this is the starters, and I will be having a sort of cover, a robust cover for each signature, where I'll stack here this little journal with all the recipes, the Italian recipes that I have prepared. So this is the starters signature. This second one is, as you can see, I had a different plan that changed. So let's do this with me together. I'm trying to open. I was planning of having all these booklets in signatures, but then I changed my mind. So if I can, okay. So this is the primi piatti, which means pasta, gnocchi, zuppa. And I'm not going to glue or bind this in any way, otherwise you wouldn't be able to really actually open. Then this is going to be, all the covers of the signatures will be like this. So this is going to be a cover with a pocket, and the pocket is gusseted, as you can see, and after we will have the main course, which is meat or fish, and is going to be tucked into the signature, the pocket of the cover. Okay, I will do it later. Let's pretend that this is okay. Let's pretend that this is the right one. Then, so this is the signatures for all the meat, and you can write. I decided to let it plain so that you can do whatever you want. And this is the last one for desserts. And here, this is the back cover, the end paper of the back cover. I still have a couple of things that I want to use. So this is going to be quite chunky journal. And I think I will close it with just a ribbon or something like this. And let me show you the signatures, the ephemeras that I have found in my stash, and also from the book itself. These are going to be the covers of some booklets, those that I want to put in the cover. And these are 1957 food-related advertisements that I have found in some magazines, 1957 retro magazines. This is fun because this is how you should behave. The question here is, can we smoke in the elevator? No, it's not correct to smoke in the elevator, above all when there is a lady. And how do you eat lobsters? And here there is the whole teaching. And then I have found this one. It's like a lotteria, a lotto. You can win 5 millions. Mind you, these are lire, not euros, not dollars. Lira was the old currency that we had in Italy, and it is expires in February 23rd, 57. So these are some of the ephemera that I want to add into this little booklet. I have also prepared some pockets, already sewn them. This is going to be one of the folders for the pages, like so this is going to be here, and we are going to have antipasti here. Maybe it's just a little bit fat, like this, maybe, why not? And I hope this book is going to close because it's already becoming very, very fat. Then let me see if I have, yeah, I have this little trifold that I could use for something, and I still have to decide what I'm gonna use it for. So this is going to be a huge book, like an encyclopedia, and it's going to be very fat, very chunky, and I absolutely adore it. And this is going to be the most funny part because I'm going to decorate it. And so I can show you this. I couldn't show you how I was making because, believe me, it was a mess. So stay tuned, friends. I will be back very soon for the decorations, and I will talk to you very soon. Thank you. Ciao.